Yeah, Andrew Grass Green. Andrew Grass Green, but how long it green for?
It's now the third term.
Andrew Grass blood clot green.
Third term. No, you know what? It is very much unfair, but Andrew said. You know what Andrew said? I'm the most honorable PJ Patterson. How long was he a Prime Minister?
Yo, we not do history.
No, we have to do history. We have to do history. 18 and a half year PJ Patterson was Prime Minister.
Yo, you have to live one go. You have to live part 2 today. If you live fucking ideas, if you live fucking ideas, you have to continue on the fuck.
Listen,
we have to live with what go on today. Because if you continue to live what go on back in ideas, we not go get no changes.
What Andrew for do? What PJ never do in a 18 year in a 8 year? A wickedness that. Wickedness that. Ask PJ what the globe is. Ask PJ what the globe they went take the Jamaica how much in billion and buy. Jamaican people never see the globe in Europe.
Anybody in a power.
PJ said the whole of Bumbleclad, Jamaica.
Anybody in a power. Without anything them do, anybody do what them have where Andrew do now. Your comment section and give me one antibiotic feelings that upset my stomach. They left your son.
No, baby.
Your comment section and give me one antibiotic feeling. Your comment section and give me one antibiotic feelings.
Stay just eat and don't read the comment.
Me go for some dinner, I mean.
Don't read the comment. Don't read the comment.
No, your
it
comment.
Is very much unfair for Andrew.
Your comment section and give me one upset stomach. No, sir. You see what the man stuck in our way stomach.
Andrew is just a man. PJ Patterson sell out the whole of the country. The whole of the country, the man sell out. And yet still, they still don't get our IMF money. When do we get all of them money there?
Anybody in a power, that's something out of Berlin need half of it. Anybody in a power, the road it half your work part.
We understand vividly of everything that you are saying. But remember, PJ was there for 18 and a half years, and then him give it to Portia. Andrew was Prime Minister for about 2 months, and then Portia go in and win, and she do her full term, and she have done nothing. So 18 plus 5 is how much?
I'd somebody else in the box. A man me go to school go looking, me never get maths in that one.
You know what you see me? Me ignorant. And sometimes when some people that fuck about Andrew, me just don't answer them. Because PJ Patterson and Portia do 23 blood clots here in our country. And then they do nothing for the country. And even if you out a good year in the pipeline.
You're not going to see it. You're not going to see it because you're that foreign. You're not going to see it.
No. Remember one time my mother have to put me in the road up a bridge. 50 black road for we get water. You see James Roberts where people cuss about every day. And he make that investment and Trinityville and all of them community there have running water in a pipe. Yet still, we have the most river.
PMP never do nothing, man. PMP never do nothing yet, man. Never yet, man.
PMP
never do nothing yet, man. PMP never do nothing yet, man. Why we cover your start about?
Me not say they not do, but me not see what they do. Come now.
Yo.
Come now. 23 years. And even if out of if the urban says that in the pipeline, you know, and Andrew plunge it out, you know. So Andrew still do something because him take it out of the pipeline. Labourite only
where your comment section I say leave the fish alone. Tell them for right good enough.
No man, probably them done send my friend that fish long time. What I done so ask me say if me think that what them say about fish? Hello, I'm not come do it because there's no fish. Wait, let me block the person there.
It's true me a bad man, I'm a wild. No, I'm a wild body no.
Oh, Kyla block them. Moderate the pandia block them.
No, me wild. Me wild as fuck, me fool.
Look how you make me blood clot cause the God come talk about Batman. Who do that? come talk about the man about him, man. No very rude, eh? Wanna know about the man? That man is a married man right there. Them people are out of body, you know, so them people are out of. No, so nobody can come tell me nothing about no blood clot politics right so. Me and when my husband and labor and I give back the house, me did have to be a labor right. And God has seen me if me I never labor right. Bruce Golden. Bruce Golden is who give free health and free education. And the PJ party slave who never have money who couldn't go to Princess Margaret Hospital. Me if you go Google and learn. Or Google and learn if you get the right blood clot, father. Kyle and I block the people, let me know Kyle. And the PJ party, so when me sick, right now down at hospital, let me tell you something. A 4 time I got hospital go push out Pitney. I mean never pay $1. And right now down at hospital at Bamboo River they pay my address. Because my mother couldn't afford for blood clot pay. And my mother never and I couldn't afford. And my granny did send the money for my mother pay for deliver me, my mother never pay. And my mother, because them they have payment plan, so my mother just tell them so she come from Bamboo River and she can come pay and she never pay. So my mother owe them out of the hospital for deliver me. Google my best friend, cause me never tell nobody say me did bright. And anything when me don't know, Google my love. Google my best friend. A true angel, it burn them. It burn them, come here talk the truth. 18 and 5 at 23. And nothing PMP do. And the drunk of them in the country, and them are going to kill the man for do what PMP do, never do in a 23 year, in a 8 year. Me nah look. Cause me never did tell Labourites to make us give my father. Cause me can work and make that. And me make one for myself, I'ma come out right and me give him. And that is why me tell you not sell Labourite people, my independent people. We not sit down and beg, I wanna sit down and sponge. I wanna look for handout. Me did have to be a Labourite. God would have sent me to blood clot if me a PMP or PMP wicked. And all I not come to about it in the comment section because Labourite did a PG did say for do and a Porsche did say for do. If they didn't say for do, they never fucking do it. Why they never do it? And they done so they on the level ask me boy if me think Andrew money I made urban center. Andrew, why Andrew go use the money make urban center? Andrew father place good year after Andrew father will it give? Why am I gonna use the money build it up? Andrew not supposed to build up no good year. I not accept no more blood clots. Some of them people are too out that call the man Batman. I not accept no more. Who do not send me no request because I not play no match neither. I not look and out from Labourite because my granny ensures that we have some over we head. And she did PR insurance in England and ensures that when she dead, we get money. So I am a beneficiary. So all I want to sit down and come chat about Labourite this. I am a beneficiary. If no one knows something about me, me telling about me. I am a beneficiary of the will that my grandmother died and live in England. I am the beneficiary of my grandmother's life savings in Jamaica National Bank. My grandmother teach me to learn for work for what me want. My grandmother never teach me to sit down and beg. So when you sit down and you come chat and you come chat about Labourite to do, me Labourite now fi do. If they give me a take it, I not refuse nothing. But me now sit down and tell myself say the people them fi take me up mind me. Cause none of them are me pa, nor me ma. So the whole of uno will sit down, the whole will sit down and I say, me I run back a Labourite and me shout out my voice. Me nah beg nobody nothing. Me nah beg nobody nothing, my love. I am a beneficiary. This house that I am living in, my grandmother went to England when she did young and she worked her ass off and she sent her money and she come by with her brother and she built it. And her brother dead and she dead and we have to live in her. We're not too enough. Ask him again. In a work. A man mind him, Kyle. Man mind him. Me now look for people. I would have traveled out the whole of the Caribbean country them in the world and walk. More than to sit down and tell myself, say, me forget part money and me forget this and me forget that. I travel the whole of the Caribbean country them, and Spanish speaking country, and use my translator. See me I look on them I got tie up some of them. I stealing whether all that cost me, I'm not trouble stealing. And from me I look up in them was stealing a PMP and me never see PMP by stealing one puppy. Me not looking on. Me not look all I know. How would this? Me say no for uno. No for uno. We want help me here. Me not have no high blood pressure. Me come for my life and me not trouble nobody. Me come for my life in a me MP shirt and to me at me take it off. I me never trouble nobody here. And then come here and who not tell me to suck my mother. And who that I say cause. Who not tell me to suck my mother, tell me say me hungry. And me not trouble nobody, you know. Me never trouble uno. Me never trouble uno. Me not trouble uno. And me done make my statement clear, say. If you is a PMP, pass and go on. This is Andre, but who's Andre? Oh, a boxman. What a boxman? My mother did that tight wall. Cause my mother never fucked for about 3-4 years before he did. Me sorry never left that pussy there give me when him go. Cause me not think say me not think for me. Pussy good like my mother own. So I don't know where go on and come to a bow. You know, sit down. And that would be a bit of PMP go come. PMP go come. One thing, if me not get no views from nobody, me know me I get this from the PMP then. Big up Uno. My mother have a good pussy, 1 grand per man, never 2. Get the selfish and give the people them free of cost. And the people them vote out Michael Manley. PJ party, so me emphasize for the globe when buy. When you take Jamaica money buy the globe, do with it. You buy the globe to Jamaica, what you doing in Europe? Go and go sleep, because I'm going to sleep to come hungry. The sun come off. PJ parties to buy the globe with Jamaica money. And no to blood clot, Jamaica can't be hold the globe. And no, Jamaica can't be hold the globe. Where the globe there? Him sell out here Jamaica, him sell out the airport, him sell out the cement company and the amount of more places where he sell out and things out of Jamaica. And me see it in the start, in the cleaner today say, they must say you need degree if you do the car park work down a airport. And they must say 100 one list. 100 sell the airport? I did 100 sell the airport? Some man who are cost 100 one list who do not even, who never even go over there go see. Say over there develop. No found none was the waving gallery in the airport again. But you still don't get up and want to cuss the blood clot, man. You leg of the man shirt. I'm going to suck on the mother. No for you not say PMP or you not say this or you not say that. You say PMP because you come grow up and so no parents are PMP. Me say Labourite because I know what Labourite do. Because I could be a fool like you and sit down in a PMP. Me know what Labourite do, me know the good what Labourite do.
Right. And
Not play the match. Not play the match. Let me see if you want to develop. When you clover, you favor man. You big and ugly, you favor one to put dirty. You favor batty man, dirty girl. Put up on the line.
I get all of them. You
big and ugly, you favor one man, more us to develop. See me, I get what in my house?
I get all of them this in the
You're big and look, you favor batty man.
More us to develop.
You know me also living at the other